Hello everyone, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Green color, blue color, black color, orange color, orange color, red color, red color, yellow color. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं अल्फाबेट्स. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. B for ball. B for ball. B for bed. B for bed. B for balloons. B for balloons. B for ball. B for bag. B for balloons. Apple. A for apple. A for airport.